Hi, I'm Anya from Ocarina Workshop. You've already learnt how to play 4 notes. Let's recap. I'm going to introduce you to Oc-pix. This is your ocarina. Here's the string and this is where you blow. Here all of the holes are open. Try and play the note. Stop. This picture shows that you should cover all of the holes. Let's have a go. Stop. How about this one? The 2 holes nearest to your mouth are coloured in. Therefore, take your first 2 fingers and play an A. Stop. Now lift your right hand finger off the ocarina to play a B. Stop. Now that you're an expert at reading Oc-pix, it's time to try some new notes. How about G? Cover the 2 holes on your left, leaving the other 2 holes open. Stop. Now find the smallest hole with the second finger on your right hand. Stop. Now let's play E. For this note, the smallest hole is the only hole open. Stop. Keep your left fingers covering the holes and walk your right hand fingers so that the smallest hole is now covered. Stop. Now let's try 2 notes together. Walk your right hand fingers to switch between E and F sharp without stopping. Stop. Now let's play another 2 notes like this. Stop. Now we're going to play 3 notes in a row. Stop. Here are 3 more notes for you to play. Stop. Now let's try 4 notes in a row. Stop. How about 4 more notes? Stop. I think you're now ready for the full scale. Shall we give it a go? Well done! Before the next video, you can practice this scale in your Play Your Ocarina Book 1. See you next time!